The Tuya web plugin on HOOBS 5. Begin on the Bridges page and click Add Accessory. Select Install a plugin. Search for the Tuya web plugin. Click on the plugin, then select Install. Select Install again. Wait for the background task circle to turn green. Then click on Done. Enter your username and password. Then enter your country code. Choose your platform. This plugin will work with Tuya Smart, Smart Life, and Genevo Smart. If you have multiple platforms, then you will need to install this plugin multiple times. We will choose Tuya Smart. A couple of key features with this plugin. Click Advanced. From here, you can hide accessories that you do not want to show nor control from HOOBS or Apple Home. You can also expose the Tuya scenes to Apple Home. Then click Save. Once the background task circle turns green, click on the home page. Here you can view and control your accessories. If you need additional help, please contact us at support.hoobs.org.